I genuinely believe that women who've been wearing saris regularly wouldn't have many complaints. Rather, shouldn't have many complaints. But to my surprise, I got complaints from all age bracket. You know what? Someone just sent a comment and she's written, "Ma'am, I love wearing sarees और साड़ी से सुंदर कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता मुझे. But ये जो गड़बड़ ब्लाउज है ना मैम, पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस खराब कर देता है." एंड दिस लाइन, दिस गड़बड़ ब्लाउज खराब कर देता है कॉन्फिडेंस, दिस लाइन स्टेड विथ मी. एंड यू नो व्हाट आई डिड? I stopped hearing all your complaints and comments and your problems, and I started working on them. And there is something coming up.